Hello and namaste to all the wonderful people out there. This is Neha and I hope you have been keeping well and are doing great. Welcome back to my channel Soul's Rendezvous, where I address the questions that twin flames might come across while on the twin flame journey. It's a small effort from my side to guide those who are on their twin flame journey and help them progress with this journey. So let's get started and pick up today's request. Question for today is how to control the pain caused by the separation of your twin flame. Terrible, isn't it? The probable way to get over the pain is either you reach out to your twin flame and express your love, or you cry your heart out till it numbs you. It would be worse if you will try to curb your emotions. Since expressing your love seems difficult during a no contact situation, the only apparent way to get over this unbearable pain is to cry out your emotions. Just before recording this audio video, I came across a beautiful song from an upcoming movie. Song name is Kalle Kalle, and the lyric goes like Kalle Kalle ye hanjuan di dhar aaj challe challe ve tut gaye tar tar. I'm not sure how many of you who are listening to me have heard of this song, and those who understand Punjabi only would relate to this song. I can translate it for those who need help with the translations. It means, I am all by myself and my eyes are all in tears. Tears those are caused due to broken strings in the bond. It's a beautiful song and all the heartbroken people are going to love it. My favorite line in this song is बाजो तेरे ता जीवी लूं जिंदगी का मैं हुन क्या करूं, which means I can try and manage to live without you, but I don't know what to do with my own life. Isn't it beautiful? Do check this song and let me know how many of you could relate to this song. I mentioned about this song because it totally resonates with the question here. When the heart can't control the emotions get released in the form of tears. For those people who struggle with their emotions, may pen them down also. Do whatever works for you. Trust me, there is no other means to regulate this never-ending pain of separation. You have loved a person deep enough that it is hurting you now. I suppose this is a continuous cycle until you learn to heal yourself. Till the time you will start considering yourself as enough, this pain and this turmoil would reiterate. So you might have to feel the pain until you completely heal it. Loving your twin flame is no wrong, but if this love is making you feel miserable, is something which is not right. Love them the way you do, but never let these emotions control you. All you need to do is to learn to master your emotions. Keep trying and do something constructive. Get to know yourself better by engaging yourself as much as possible. You are the best judge and can take charge over your own life. You can try praying for you both and have faith in the supreme power that has brought you here till this point. And remember, it is just a phase of your destined journey, and this shall too pass. You have loved hard and loved deep, and now it's time to give some love to yourself. Twin flame separation is the best opportunity for all the twin flames, which is given by the universe to work on one's own self. This is the time when you can discover your true potential. It is a difficult phase indeed, but believe me, you can excel in the most difficult times if you have that determination. So, instead of blaming God or your twin flame for causing you this pain, accept the situation the way it is and take control of your life and make it happier and brighter. Meditate if you can. Be with yourself. Enjoy your own company. Do whatever you want to do, be it crying or be it anything. Feel from within, and that would be the best guidance ever. I hope this would give you some insight and answer the question. Friends, I would like to wrap up it here, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and love yourself. For those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe and help me spread the word and help me grow. Thank you so much for being with me.